morning, October 19th, 2022. And looks like it was a busy night. I'm not sure. I just got up, so I'm not sure what exactly went on. I'm sure I'll find out in a few minutes. At any rate, we've gone through the CPR. We kind of actually messed around with it. Got down to the support area this morning. Tried to bounce back up through and failed. So the rule is today we're below CPR. If we come up and test it and we get rejected, it's a short, or we just may short on out. I know we had Netflix earnings last night, so maybe it was an earnings play this morning that rejected it. Not sure exactly. But Netflix had some good earnings. At any rate, maybe it's still wrapped up in the Apple slowdown that happened yesterday. That's why we got this big red candle here. So tough to say. At any rate, CPR, daily pivot is 37.44, right around. We had support at 37.36 to 37.25. This should now prove to be resistance. We had the weekly line in the sand, bears line in the sand 37.23, but we'll just leave that alone. Doesn't look like it's proven. It proved to be a little bit here, but not much else. Bulls line in the sand, or Bulls last stand, sorry, 37.14. We kind of hit that, bounced off it, and then plowed through it. So it looks like it's a strong down day is what I would get from that. We're also below the 54 EMA, sorry. The 54 EMA, so kind of the rule is we close below it and we're short. We're above it, we're long. Okay, we're going to come down and hit, looks like we potentially could hit bull target 1, which is 36.89. And then bull target 2, which is 36.78. So I'll just play candlestick trading today. And it looks like it's on the bearish side. We're down 24 this morning. Nasdaq's down 69. So not real bearish, bearish. So not real bearish. At any rate, so if we come back up through CPR, that'll be a bull sign, right? That'll be to go long. Up on top, we have 38.02, and that's bear's last stand. And then we have resistance from 37.80 to 37.91. I mean, nothing's too far, right? And then we have the bull target 1, 37, or I'm sorry, that should be 38.27, and 38.36, way up there. So we'll see how this plays out. I'll probably drop that down. And yeah, so just remember that we could get some quick reversals like this, like even today. I was kind of looking over the chart and saying, look, no matter what, until we cross this golden line up here, which is the 2022, start of 2022 high and a downtrend, or trend line down, until we crash that or go through it, it's still bearish, right? I mean, even this line, we got to pass this line, from, what is that, August 17th high to September 19th. I mean, people say, you got to have 3 points. Yeah, but we got 2. We got to crash that crash through it before we can even, I don't know, before I can think about going seriously long. So we got some work to do. I mean, so it might just take some time if we're going to, pivot or we're going to switch over. It's just going to take some time. That's all. Okay, real quick, so I don't drag this video out too long. Let's do SPY. SPY, I've got a target up here, 37.90, based on this move.
Order submitted.
But today we're going to drop down to 368. Not that much. Could just be a drop and a run. Who knows? We'll see. Yeah, it just takes time. Patterns. Okay, Apple. Here's Apple. It was playing nicely, playing out. Now Apple's 142. So down here. I'd say that if we cross down below this, this is a 54 EMA. Funny how that and ES work the same. But if we drop below this 142, which we are this morning, we start heading south. Might be a, I might switch over to the half-hour chart and then maybe potentially play this short or for a double, maybe a double bound or a double low. I don't know. We'll see. So there you go. That's all I got. Have a great day.